If you are looking for a new digital planner or you're new to digital planning, I have some free digital planners for you. I have them up in my Goodnotes app here, and I will show you how to use them and how to get them. And these do work for Goodnotes, Notability, and other PDF digital planning apps. Just make sure your app allows for hyperlinked PDFs. So I currently have 3 free digital planners. The layout is all the same. They are each 1-month planners with 31 daily pages that are all identical. It comes with 4 templates, a monthly overview, and a calendar. The difference is the color combos. So you can pick a new color combo each month. I do plan to add more, so you can come back and pick a new one each month, or you can stick with the same one and reuse it every month. So here is the first one, and make sure if you are using Goodnotes, you toggle this button on and off depending on whether you want to use the hyperlinks or if you want to edit and write. So right now I'm going to have it like this so that I can use these hyperlinks. So this home page will bring you, or this home tab here will bring you to this page where you can access the templates. So this tab up here also takes you to the templates. So if you're somewhere else and you want to get back to the templates, you can just push this button. And then there is a monthly overview, a calendar view, and then here are the daily pages. They are exactly the same, but if say it's December 9th, you just push the 9, and there you are on the 9th of the month, and you can fill it out. Now, if what's on here is not enough space for you, I've added some templates. I can pick blank, lined, graph, or dotted. So let's say I wanted to put a dotted page behind my 9th of the month because I have a lot going on and I want to make something else. So I'm going to go to copy page. I do recommend keeping each of the 4 templates just blank and copying them. So I'll go here to the 9th. And let's say I'd filled this out and I need more space. I'll go up here to the plus, and then I will do paste page. And it'll paste that page. The hyperlinks still work here all the same. There is the 9th. And I've made it so that whatever page you are on, it turns the color pink. So if I'm on the 19th, it's pink. If I'm on the home page, it's pink. Same with the templates. And then this monthly overview I have so that you can kind of fill it out at the beginning of each month. And then there's a section over here where you can do an end of month reflection. Again, you could go in here and add more pages behind it if you wanted to. And then I have some links to my website and then to different sections of my website, just so it's easy to get to the free digital stickers, the planners, templates, and notebooks. So I'll show you the other 2 that I have so far. By the time you watch this video, there might be more, but right now there's 3. The last thing I forgot to show you was the 3 blank covers. And the reason that I leave these blank is so that you can add the month yourself. You can add any of my free stickers to it. Say I want to do for January, and then I can resize it. I can label it however I want to. And this kind of leaves it just open-ended so you can reuse it each month. And that way you can label it however you would like to. And then if you want, you can leave the covers over here if you want, or you can delete the ones you don't want to use. So I will show you the other 2. Here is the second one. Exactly the same, just different colors. So you can pick from these 3 covers over here. Everything is laid out just the same. And here is the last one. These 3 cover options. So I will show you really quick how to grab these. Right now, they are currently the most recent articles on my website. But if they are not by the time you watch the video, you can go here to Goodnotes and then free digital planners. Right now, I only have these 1-month digital planners, but eventually I will have more. So there'll be different categories here. I also have it under the daily digital planners because these planners, they're a daily planner because there's 1 page per day. And if that's not your thing, be sure to come back because I plan to make other planners maybe that don't have daily pages, that are just weekly or monthly. So you can go to whichever one you want. Feel free to download them all. And then you go down to where it says download, and then it will be a zip file that has a PDF and a Goodnotes file. So use the Goodnotes file if you are using the Goodnotes app, and then you can use the PDF if you're using a different app like Notability. And you can just open it and then share it into your app. I'm going to do import as a new document, and I already have these in here, so this is just a copy. So you'll open it just like that, and then you can use it however you'd like. And then when you are done with that, you can either use the links here or just go to my website and you can go through my digital stickers and then add them as you're planning. You can check out, I have blank notebooks if you prefer that over planners. And I also have templates for Goodnotes, and they work in the other digital planning app. So then you can download the stickers here, and then you could drag and drop them over or use the Goodnotes sheet if it's available. Some of them I have the Goodnotes sheet in there. So let me know if you like this layout, what kind of planner you want me to make next, what kind of color combos, stickers you'd like to see, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.